guys, it's Rose and welcome back to Cheap Lazy Vegan and another video. Today is another travel food vlog type video. I thought I would give you a little context before I get started with the footage because it's kind of all over the place, so I thought I would kind of, explain things to you a little bit. So if you guys are not aware, I actually visited Brazil in February of this year. Wow, it's already been like 3 months. Oh my God. I was in Brazil for a total of 2 weeks. I visited 3 different places mainly. I was in Sao Paulo, I was also in Iguazu Falls, and I was also in Rio for Carnival. That was kind of the main reason why I went. If you guys don't know, Carnival is the big festival that happens in Brazil every year, and it is huge. There's so many different people, and it's just insane. And I was lucky enough to have experienced that. So my footage is kind of all over the place because I couldn't film too much in Rio because I was kind of, partying, and also you don't want to like take out your phone and stuff like that while you are in Carnival because pickpocketers happen very frequently. So yes, I will be posting more travel footage and travel vlogs on my second channel. If you guys don't know, I do have a vlog channel which I post like travel videos on and other kind of personal content. So I'm going to link my vlog channel down below if you guys are interested in more personal videos. This one is more focused on food. So this video I'm going to start with my footage in Rio. As soon as I got to Rio, that's kind of where I ended my last video when I was leaving for Rio. I'm going to start with the footage of when I first got to Rio. I actually visited this cafe or restaurant that I ate at twice in Rio, and it was actually really good. So here we are. We found a vegan place right beside where we're staying. And I guess we can sit outside. Woo! We made it. Many hours on the bus and the central station was insane. But we made it. We look like shit because we were on the bus all night long and we haven't gotten ready yet. Ooh, this is with parmesan. Cakes. So apparently this is a traditional dish from the north, you said? Northeast, and this is traditionally made with shrimp.
Yeah.
Yes, but this is a vegan version. And then I have the soup, lots of beans, very healthy.
Hungarian cake. Ooh. I have no idea what that is, but it seems nice. With chocolate.
And then some chocolate and strawberry.
Chocolate.
So first few days in Rio was just a lot of crazy carnival shenanigans. So the food, what did I even eat? I don't even remember what I ate other than just the couple of meals that I showed here. But yeah, it was just a little bit crazy, so I didn't get to film too much of it. But anything that I have filmed, I will be posting on my vlog channel. Another place that I went to that was really close to where I was staying was a place called Tita Bistro, and it was really quiet. It was a little cafe looking place, and I honestly don't remember what I ordered, you guys. I'm so sorry, but I just don't remember what I ordered. I wish I had taken notes or something. I am a terrible YouTuber. Anyways, this is what I had. It was delicious. Yeah, but I think I prefer the first place that I went to more so. I definitely wish I tried out more places in Rio. It was just crazy because it was Carnival and there was just too many people, and some of the places I wanted to try were actually closed during Carnival, so I didn't get to try out all of the vegan options available. But there's definitely a lot more vegan options in Rio than I showed here. So my friends actually left after the weekend, and I actually ended up meeting up with a couple of girls that I met while I was traveling in Iguazu Falls, which was really awesome, and I stayed with them for a few days in Rio. I was originally going to go back to Sao Paulo, but I wanted to stay in Rio for a bit longer because the time that I had in Rio was just way too short, and it was also rainy, and it was also just Carnival, so I didn't get to see Rio at all during the weekend. So I decided to stay a few more days, and I got to enjoy some of the beach. I got to go to Copacabana Beach, which is the famous beach, and of course I had some acai. I had a lot of acai while I was in Brazil. I should have had more acai because so good. Acai on the beach. After all of this, I ended up going back to Sao Paulo, and I only had a few more days left in Sao Paulo. So here are some of the last meals that I had in Sao Paulo. What's up guys, I am now at Prime Dog, which is this kind of like fast food takeaway place. They sell hot dogs and they sell burgers. Apparently it's really good. I just ordered, and they actually have a vegetarian menu, and I think all of the options you can actually make it into a vegan option, which is super sweet. My friend actually recommended this place, and she really likes the hot dogs, so I got what did I get? The Prime Dog soya hot dog, and apparently it's really good, so I'm really excited. It's relatively busy, so you just order at the counter and I'm gonna enjoy it. I got the combo, which comes with fries and a drink. Here it is. Doesn't really look like a hot dog. Pretty huge, guys. Fries. Guys, it's like a hot dog on crack. I wasn't really expecting this. It's like pretty much like a sub. It's gigantic, okay? So it has these like fries. These are like little like fried potato things. There's actually mashed potato here. There's mashed potatoes inside. There's some vegan mayo, corn, tomato, and the vegan hot dog, of course. It's very good. It's very indulgent. Cheers. On my last night in Sao Paulo, my friends took me to a vegan bar. It's an all vegan bar. It was called Baderna, and it was super cool. It was kind of like in a house, and they had like a backyard. It was just a really chill vibe, very cool. They had burgers, they had lots of different food options that were all vegan, and of course, alcohol. My favorite thing. Probably one of my favorite places that I visited. Where are we, Thais? Hello everyone. We are now at Baderna, which is an all-vegan bar here in Sao Paulo. Thanks to my friends, they've brought me here, which is super cool. And this place, it looks like they've got some delicious food. It looks like they have a lot of burgers, so probably gonna get a burger later, but probably gonna get some beer first. And it smells a lot like weed outside. All right, guys, we got some coxinhas, whatever that is. I don't know what it is. What's in it?
It's a dough. Half of it has shimeji and half of it has
jackfruit. Oh, okay. So it's a dough, and inside of it has some mushroom, and then some of it has jackfruit.
But the traditional one is made with chicken.
Okay, so traditionally it's made with chicken, but this one is a vegan version. And this is our starter. Woo! All right. Ooh, I got this lentil burger.
And a caipirinha.
And a caipirinha. Oh. So on the last day, I had to catch my flight later in the evening, but for lunch, my friends took me to this really awesome vegetarian restaurant called Veggie. I think that's how you say it. Yes. Good afternoon, everyone. Woo. It is a hot day. Hi, Rose. Today is my final day in Sao Paulo. We are at a vegetarian restaurant. Is this vegetarian or vegan?
It's vegetarian.
It's a vegetarian restaurant, and it's called Banana Veggie. Okay, guys, that's how you say it properly. Oh, okay, it means green banana. I didn't know that. Banana Veggie, which means green banana. There you go. Learned some Portuguese today. It's in this cute neighborhood. Some of the roads are blocked because Carnival is still happening. It's a beautiful day. It's very, very hot. Here's this place. Green banana. Whoa. Apparently it's always packed. There's the sign. Oh, looks like there's an all-you-can-eat option, which we may take. What do you think?
Yeah.
anything where I could eat as much as I want is always good, but we don't know, so we have to take a look first. We're just waiting right now, but we're gonna take a look and see if we want to take the all-you-can-eat option. No idea what this is, but I will get this. And these are different options. Apparently dinner time is much better, according to Thais. Well, we don't know.
Yeah.
Like lunchtime, they look like they
have more options.
Yeah, for lunch it looks like they do mainly buffet, so you have different options. It was so nice. I loved the atmosphere, I loved the neighborhood that it was in, and the food was really, really good. I think food-wise, this was probably my favorite place that I visited in Brazil, just overall. For lunch, they had a buffet, and it seems to be very popular, like a buffet-style restaurant. It seems to be quite popular in Brazil. You could also choose to have like a daily special on top of the buffet, so we did that, and I ate a lot, but it was so good. We got a table. I want to eat now. Here's the first plate. So it looks like most of their buffet items are vegan. There's just like a few that aren't. You just have to ask and see what it is. Second plate. And here is the plate of the day. I don't really know what it is, but it looks great. Mushrooms, black rice, it looks like, Brussels sprouts, and pumpkin with hummus, I think.
No, I think it's kind of a sauce made with nuts.
It looks great. All right, what is this, guys? Explain it.
It's kind of a cafe. They have vegan ice cream, vegan.
All right, it's a vegan cafe with vegan ice cream and coffee, all kinds of stuff. Unfortunately, they were closed, guys, and my heart is broken. Now we're gonna go to Plan B, which is another place that is not a vegan place, but has some options, and I'm very sad. So maybe someone else can experience this and not me. All right, we are here at Latte Gelato Place. These are the vegan flavors here. I got what looks like raspberry, but I'm not sure, and a strawberry and chocolate. A small cup because I'm pretty full for once in my life. So, got some espresso to wake me up. Whoa. There's a loco outside. No wonder that ice cream place shut down. I got some vegan gelato, some more gelato, espresso. Alright guys, so that was my experience in Brazil in terms of food. Don't forget to check out the other 2 videos that I posted of my eats in Brazil. I have tons of other travel vlogs as well. Vegan travel food vlogs. If you guys are interested, I'll leave a link to that playlist in my description box as well. Again, I will be posting more travel footage in my vlog channel. So don't forget to check out my vlog channel and subscribe to that as well. I really hope you guys enjoyed joining me on my vegan Brazilian food adventures. I definitely enjoyed eating all the food. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, of course, don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!